everyone, my name is Prashasti and I'll be doing Sarojini haul video today. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The first thing that I got from Sarojini is this yellow solid turtleneck top which cost me around 100 bucks. The next thing that I got is this dress which cost me 200 rupees, and if you're not comfortable in wearing this in winter, you can pair up with sweater and then you're good to go. The next thing is this jacket which also cost me 200 bucks. एंड ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा वार्म है, प्लस इसमें बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं. इट कम्स विथ पॉकेट्स एंड अ कैप, प्लस इट गॉट चेन्स ऑन द बोथ साइड, प्लस आई लाइक द कलर टू. Shawl. And I got this shawl for just 150 rupees. You can pair them with anything you want. And I got this white coffee mug which is really cute, which I find really cute, and I got it for just 50 rupees. There is another mug which I got for 50 rupees, and this is a baby pink color का cute सा बड़ा सा cup है. Yeah, this is it. And here is another top. And I got this super trendy neon color का top which I got for just 100 rupees. ऑनलाइन में मैंने इसका प्राइस देखा था एंड दैट वाज फॉर 1300 और 850 रुपीज़ के अराउंड कुछ था. एंड आई काइंड लाइक सरोजनी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. यू जस्ट इमेजिन एंड गेट एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम सरोजनी. आई कुडंट रिकॉग्नाइज द पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ द शॉप्स. एक्चुअली शॉप्स के आगे पे जो दुकानें होती हैं, आई प्रेफर गोइंग ऑन दैट बिकॉज शॉप्स के प्राइजेज आई कुडंट फाइंड इट अफोर्डेबल. उससे अच्छा मैं ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ही कर लूँ. And what is Sarojini Nagar without denim? Yes, I got this super cool loose baggy sa denim jacket only for rupees 550. I know it's not quite cheap as compared to the market, but I don't know how to bargain. I got it for 550, yeah. The material seems quite fresh. You have to be careful while buying denims from Sarojini. Fresh materials नहीं होते हैं denims में, so you have to look for it. Overall, denim suits with everything. So I paired this with neon top, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा trendy सा, मतलब cool effect देता है, and I like this. With anything. So I paired this with a white top too, and the next thing that I bought is this winter slippers जो कि मुझे पड़े 200 rupees के. Next thing is this white color का जो ये basic top है, and I got it for just rupees 20. जो it was Monday market, guys. Yeah, so you can imagine getting it for 20 rupees. It's just fine. I kind of like this top जो कि basic है. I can pair it with anything. Yeah. It goes with everything, especially black. I got this super cute Banjara purses for just 100 rupees each. मुझे इतने अच्छे लगे कि मैंने एक साथ 5 खरीद लिए. And I can pair it with different ethnic looks and with different sarees. Of course, I got it for my mum. Best thing कि ये shoulder straps के साथ आए हैं. And I didn't knew it earlier. I got this office pants for just 200 rupees. Yeah, normal days में आपको ये 300 rupees के मिलेंगे, but it's Monday market. I bought this office pant for just 200 rupees. I cannot believe that I got it for 200 rupees because I got one from Myntra and cost me around 1500 rupees, and believe me, those office pants are not cheap and the quality of this material is quite good. I bought this rugs for just 150 rupees for both, which cost me around 25 rupees each. Yeah. Moving on, I bought this light denim जो कि है 550 rupees का. Yes, I bought it from the same shop. I kind of like this too. Sarojini is nothing without denims. Yeah. I got this boots for just 600 rupees. अगर आपको ऑनलाइन में लेना है boots, so you will not get it below 2000 rupees and you'll get it from Sarojini at just 600 rupees, guys. So next is this blazer which I got for just 50 rupees. Can you imagine I got this coat for just 50 rupees? Yeah. And then at last I bought this jhumkas. Normal days mein you'll get it for 80 rupees or 50 rupees, I don't know, but I usually shop this kind of thing on just Monday market, so I got it for just 30 rupees. Yes. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and do like this video too. Thank you. See you on our next video.